Hey, this is Dr. Dalal, and I'm here at my office in Johnson City, Tennessee, the beautiful AwareMed Health and Wellness Resource Center. And I had a great experience with Dr. Ilya Skolnikoff, who has helped me tremendously with my cough when I was at Acapulco having a great time during a media event. You have no idea how aggravating to have a cough. And for me to be able to experiencing a better night's sleep because I'm not coughing and enjoying my media event, it was incredible. So I recommend him with every ounce in my blood because you saved my life.